Nothing beats the smell of freshly baked cinnamon rolls. The sweet, spicy aroma wafts through the air, instantly making your home feel cozy and inviting. Imagine biting into a warm, gooey roll. The soft dough, the rich cinnamon filling, and the sweet icing all come together in a perfect bite. The aroma fills your kitchen, creating an atmosphere of warmth and comfort. It's like a hug in the form of a scent. Today, we're making that dream a reality. With just a few simple ingredients and a bit of time, you can create these delicious treats at home. This recipe is perfect for beginners. Even if you've never baked before, you'll find this process straightforward and enjoyable. It has a short rise time, so you can enjoy your rolls faster. No need to wait hours for the dough to be ready. We'll guide you through each step, from mixing the dough to rolling it out and adding the filling. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. With our tips and tricks, you'll be a cinnamon roll pro in no time. Let's talk about the best part, the icing. This is where you can get creative and make your rolls truly unique. You can choose classic cream cheese icing, which adds a tangy sweetness that complements the cinnamon perfectly, or try vanilla or coffee icing for a twist. Each option brings a different flavor profile to your rolls. These rolls are also freezer-friendly. Make a big batch, freeze them, and enjoy fresh cinnamon rolls anytime you want. Make a big batch and enjoy them later. Let's get baking! The joy of homemade cinnamon rolls is just a few steps away. Are you ready for warm, delicious cinnamon rolls? Let's get started. Gather your ingredients and let's dive into the world of baking. First, we make the dough. Grab your ingredients and lay them out on the counter. This will make the process smoother and more enjoyable. You'll need flour, sugar, salt, milk, butter, yeast, and an egg. Warm the milk slightly, just enough to activate the yeast. Make sure it's not too hot. The ideal temperature is around 110 degrees Fahrenheit. If it's too hot, it can kill the yeast. Add the yeast to the warm milk and give it a gentle stir. Let it sit for a few minutes. This allows the yeast to dissolve and start to activate. This wakes up the yeast. You'll see bubbles forming, which means the yeast is alive and active. In a large bowl, mix the dry ingredients. This includes the flour, sugar, and salt. Make sure they are well combined. Add the milk and yeast mixture to the dry ingredients. This is where the magic begins. Mix until it forms a dough. It might be a bit sticky at first, but that's okay. Now it's time to knead. Transfer the dough to a floured surface. Knead the dough for about 5 minutes. This process is crucial for developing the dough's structure. This helps develop the gluten, which gives the dough its elasticity and strength. Place the dough in a greased bowl. This prevents it from sticking as it rises. Cover it and let it rise for about an hour. The dough will double in size, becoming light and airy. Now for the fun part, the filling. This is where the magic begins. Mix together softened butter, brown sugar, and cinnamon. Make sure everything is well combined to create a smooth, creamy mixture. Roll out your dough into a rectangle. Aim for an even thickness to ensure consistent baking. Spread the butter mixture evenly over the dough. Be generous, as this will give your rolls that rich, gooey center. Sprinkle with more cinnamon if you like. This adds an extra burst of flavor. Now, tightly roll up the dough. Take your time to ensure it's rolled evenly. Slice the roll into individual cinnamon rolls. Try to make each slice about the same size for even baking. Place the rolls in a greased baking pan. Arrange them with a bit of space in between to allow for expansion. Cover them and let them rise again for about an hour. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect fluffy texture. This second rise makes them extra fluffy. You'll notice they almost double in size. While they rise, preheat your oven to the recommended temperature. This ensures they bake evenly. Bake the rolls until they're golden brown. Keep an eye on them to avoid overbaking. Enjoy your delicious homemade cinnamon rolls. While the rolls bake, make the icing. For cream cheese icing, beat together cream cheese, butter, powdered sugar, and vanilla. Once the rolls are out of the oven, let them cool slightly. Then frost them generously. Your kitchen smells amazing. These cinnamon rolls are best enjoyed warm. Grab a roll and savor the flavor. You did it! You baked perfect cinnamon rolls from scratch. Enjoy!